Welcome to Technical Suri channel. Today I'm going to explain you how to upgrade RAM on Dell Latitude 3400. This laptop comes with 8 GB already, so I'm going to add another 8 GB of RAM in this laptop. So I will show you how to do that. First you have to unscrew all the screws. There will be around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 screws, so you have to unscrew all of them, and I will show you how to add the memory module. Quite simple to open the laptop. After unscrewing all the screws, you just have to do like this. Okay, I have opened the laptop bottom part. So this is how it looks, and this is slot 1. This is a brand new RAM which comes along with this laptop. It's original Samsung 2400 speed, and I am using this one that I got from Amazon, and this is Crusair, and this is 8 GB DDR4 2400 speed sodium RAM, and it's 1.2 volts, and I'm going to add it in the second slot. I will show you how I'm adding it. Make sure you properly insert this, and just have to press it like this, so that the RAM will get locked. And if you want to add additional hard drive, you can use a solid state drive M2. You can add it here. You can upgrade the hard drive as well. And in this slot, this is second slot, you can add the memory module. This laptop only support 2400, so better buy only 2400, because the cache latency for 2400 8 GB RAM will be around 17, but if you go for 2600, the cache latency will be around 19. So for this laptop, this BIOS only supports up to 2400 megahertz speed, so make sure you get the right RAM. And after once you add everything, you just have to close the bottom lid and screw in all the 9 screws back again, and I will turn this laptop on and I will show you how it's working. Turning this laptop on, and see how the boot speed is, how the RAM is looking within the operating system, and what will be the cache latency. I will show you everything. I just turned it on. You will get this alert as we just changed the memory. We just need to click on continue, because we just upgraded the RAM, so it will show you that message. Now you can see that the system was booted, and if you want to check the memory module that you have added, go to task manager, and in the task manager you can go to performance, and if you go to memory, you will see how much memory is added. Okay, you see the speed is 2400, slots used 2 of 2, and I have used sodium RAM, and you can see 0.2 GB which was used, and available is 13.6. and if you want to get more details, you can download CPU-Z software, and it will show you more details about the system performance, motherboard, memory. If you go to memory, the total size is 16 gigabytes. If you go to SPD in slot 1, you can see the manufacturer of that RAM is Samsung, and you can also get the part number and the serial number, and its rank is single, and you can see the cache latency. It's at 1200, it's around 17. So this is the cache latency from the laptop manufacturer Dell, and the Samsung is the manufacturer of this RAM. They give their cache latency show in CPU-Z as 17, and if you go to slot 2, you can see the cache latency from Crucial is also around 17. So this is absolutely fine. So the cache latencies does match. So whoever is upgrading their Dell 3400, you can buy Crucial RAM with 2400 megahertz. That will be working absolutely fine with this. And you have to remember one thing: do not go for RAMs which are sold by Dell directly, because Dell is a manufacturer of laptops which assembles parts from other suppliers, like in this case the RAM manufacturer here is Samsung. Dell have used Samsung RAM, so Dell itself will not manufacture RAMs. So any RAM will be fine. It should match the speed, I mean RAM speed. In this case, for this 3400 model, it is 2400 is the speed of the RAM, so you should match that speed. And it is always better if it does match the cache latency. If not also, it's good. The BIOS or the system will automatically adjust it, but it's always good. I have done some research and got this Crucial RAM, so it's working absolutely fine. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe and share this video for knowledge.